If your Steam downloads are painfully slow, especially for large games, here's how you can speed them up without downloading anything sketchy. First, open Steam and then go to the Steam logo up here and click on Settings. Now, in the Settings menu, go down to Downloads, and in Downloads, change your download region to the closest or least crowded server near you. This alone can double your speed. Next, remove bandwidth limits. In the same menu, set limit bandwidth to no limit and disable throttle downloads while streaming. Now, pause your download, restart Steam completely, then resume. This refreshes the connection and often boosts speeds instantly. Make sure no other apps are eating the bandwidth. Pause load backups, close launchers, and avoid streaming while downloading. Also, if you're on Wi-Fi, switch to a wired Ethernet connection. It's far more stable for large files. Also, temporarily disable VPNs or proxies. Steam often throttles VPN traffic. Advanced tip: right-click Steam and click Run as Administrator, then start the download again. This can fix disk write slowdowns. Finally, check your disk speed. Click on your taskbar, then go to your Task Manager. In Task Manager, choose Performance and click on Disk. Slow HDD's bottleneck downloads. Installing to an SSD makes a huge difference. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.